or welcome you all to Vidya Bharati Punjab Weekly English News Bulletin. First of all, let's begin with the Subhashita and Amrit Vachan.
Shifali Jindal, a Sanskrit teacher of SVM Moga.
परोऽपि हित्वा निबन्धुः बन्धुरपि अहितपरः अहितदेहजव्याधियः हितमारण्यम् औषधम्। अर्थ, यदि कोई अपरिचित व्यक्ति आपकी सहायता करे तो उसे अपने परिवार के सदस्य की तरह ही महत्व दें। वहीं यदि आपके परिवार का व्यक्ति आपको हानि पहुंचाए तो उसे महत्व देना बंद कर दें। ठीक उसी तरह जैसे शरीर के किसी अंग में चोट लगने पर हमें कष्ट होता है, परंतु जंगल की औषधि हमारे लिए लाभदायक होती है। अमृत वचन, जीवन का प्रत्येक छोटा भाग भी जीवन की बड़ी सफलता का ही एक भाग होता है। भारत माता की जय।
Let's take a look at the headlines of past week. Sambat 2079 was welcomed through various programs. Vidya Bharati Punjab's Adopt to Educate scheme is becoming super hit. Mrs. Aradhana in Garota and Mr. Vineet Kumar in Phagwara took over the responsibility of principalship. All the principals returned with great enthusiasm from the 3-day principal workshop held in Amritsar. Vidya Bharati alumnus sets world record. Vidya Bharati continues to progress. Another Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir was opened in Rampur Bhal near Derabassi. Bhikki Vidya Mandirs joined online Pariksha Pe Charcha by PM. Inauguration of the ground of Vatika was at Sangrur Vidya Mandir. Recitation and Kirtan of Shri Japuji Sahab conducted at Mohali Vidya Mandir. Now, news in detail. Vikrami Samvat 2079 was welcomed with full enthusiasm and fanfare by various programs in all the Vidya Mandirs. For doing good deeds, progress in every field and achieving great success and world peace, recitation and Havan of Shri Sukhmani Sahib were organized. Students welcomed the new year by lighting 5 diyas in front of their homes. Sundarkand was recited after the Havan in Vidyadham too. The Adopt to Educate scheme of Vidya Bharati Punjab is becoming super hit and is making steady progress. Continuing this same sequence, Jolly Soothing Era Foundation's chairman Mr. Harsh Jhanji gave 11,000, Sirhand Mr. Ajay Modi ji gave 13,000, Amritsar's alumnus Dr. Sumedha Arora ji gave 22,000 and Monica Vashisht gave 21,000. Sardar Jagrup Singh Dipali of Rampura Phul presented 16,400 rupees. Shri Vivek ji of Jagraon gave 11,000. Shri Arshdeep ji of Barnala presented 11,000 to Vidya Mandirs, while a former teacher of Bani Lodhi adapted the student. On the other hand, former teacher of Derabassi, Shri Vipin Thamnan ji presented a check of 1 lakh of his second installment of education fund to the area president Shri Ashok Pal. In Baba Naga Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Garota, Aradhana ji took over the responsibility of principalship, while in Phagwara, Mr. Vineet Kumar took over the principalship. The 3-day principal planning meeting, which started from 28th March and Madhav Vidya Niketan Amritsar ended on 30th March. The meeting received guidance from the prominent educationalists and scholars of Punjab. In the meeting, the principals discussed the annual plan of the respective Vidya Mandirs through PPT. This planning meeting was dedicated to the 400th year of martyrdom of Guru Shri Tegh Bahadur Ji and Amrit Mahotsav of Independence. Sardar Jugraj Singh Randhawa Ji, District Education Officer, Amritsar, presided over the inaugural session of this planning meeting. Vidya Bharati's alumnus Megha Parmar of Sihor, District of Madhya Pradesh, has made everyone proud on the world stage by doing technical scuba diving of 147 feet. With this, Megha ji became the first woman in the world who has conquered the summit of 4 continents. Megha Parmar is the brand ambassador of Madhya Pradesh Beti Bachao Beti Padhao campaign. Vidya Bharati Punjab is moving towards continuous progress. On March 31st, under the guidance and planning of Vidya Bharati Punjab, another Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir was inaugurated in a village named Rampur Bhal near Deravasi. The special guest of the program, organized on the auspicious occasion, was Honorable Shri Ashok Pal Ji, President of Vidya Bharati North Zone, and Chief Guest Regional Organization Minister Shri Vijay Nadda Ji. Various colorful programs were presented by the students of the local Vidya Mandir. Shri Nadda Ji apprised the visiting parents about the goal of Vidya Bharati, and Shri Ashok Pal Ji blessed all the dignitaries present in the program. BK CBSE school students up to class 12th participated online in Pariksha Pe Charcha conducted by Prime Minister. This discussion was shown on the projector. After this, the students told that by participating in the discussion, the answers to many questions were automatically obtained. The students appeared very happy by participating in discussion. Recently, the playground of Shishu Vatika was inaugurated at Sadhu Ashram Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Sangrur. The key speaker of the program were Pravind Shishu Vatika Pramukh, Mrs. Kusum, while guiding everyone, said that points which are being told today under the new education policy are being implemented in Vidya Bharati for many years. On this occasion, the chief guest of the program, Mr. Rakesh Gupta Ji, announced a grant of Rs 1 lakh to Vidya Mandir. Japji Sahib and Kirtan was recited by the teachers and the students at Mohali Vidya Mandir in the morning on 4th April. In this, the principal of Vidya Mandir, Mrs. Kavita Atri Ji, all the teachers and students participated with devotion. After the end of the Kirtan, Ardas was done and Dek Prasad was distributed to all. Now, one photo, one news. The meeting of the girl child education was held in the courtyard of Shri Surendra Kumar Gupta Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Shri Muktsar Sahib. Smart Kit Show was organized at Madhav Vidya Niketan School, Amritsar. Lala Saran Das Bhuta Ram Agarwal organized a seminar of aunts drivers in Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir. First teachers meeting of the new session and concluded at Maloya Vidya Mandir. The stay of Shri Subhash Mahajan Ji and Shri Sudesh Thakur Ji ended in Morinda. Students of Fazilka Vidya Mandir received the third place in science fair organized by the Vidya Bharati. Here is the interview of those students.
Vidya Mandir Fazilka. Today I am here to introduce our shining stars of national level science fair who got third position there. इससे पहले कि ये बच्चे अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं, मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, जो सफ़र की शुरुआत करते हैं वो मंजिल को भी पा लेते हैं, बस एक बार चलने का हौसला रखना ज़रूरी है। अच्छे इंसानों का तो रास्ते भी इंतज़ार करते हैं। आइए इन बच्चों से इनके बारे में।
Hi, I am Vani Verma from Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fazilka, class 10.
I am Pulkit from Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fazilka. I studies in class 10.
I am Darshan from Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Fazilka. I study in class 9.
बेटे इस कंपटीशन में पार्ट लेने के लिए कोई खास वजह, कोई रीज़न?
This science quiz provided me the opportunity to enhance my knowledge in science.
पुलकित, आपने क्यों लिया पार्ट?
I participated in this competition because it was a great opportunity for me to learn something new.
जशन?
It was very pleasurable for me to join this type of competition, or this competition helped us increase in knowledge.
क्या गोल क्या है आपका लाइफ के लिए?
I want to pursue engineering as my career.
पुलकित?
I want to become a doctor and serve my country.
I want to become a cybersecurity engineer and do something towards cybersecurity.
क्या इस क्विज में पार्ट लेने के लिए, इस फेयर में जाने के लिए आपके टीचर्स ने आपको सपोर्ट किया, हेल्प किया?
Yes, sir. Teachers were very supportive during the whole phase of preparing for the science quiz, and they teach us in such an interesting manner that science has seems very easy to us.
पुलकित, आपको किसने सपोर्ट किया?
Our teacher supports us much in preparing for the competition, and our principal ma'am motivated us to take part in competition and do our best.
जशन, आपने कैसे की तैयारी?
I was extremely motivated by the hard work doing by my parents.
कुछ कहना चाहोगे अपने स्कूल के टीचर्स, प्रिंसिपल मैम के लिए?
We are very grateful to our teachers and principal ma'am who helped us a lot to win this competition. मैं यही कामना करता हूँ कि हमारे प्रिंसिपल मैम और टीचर्स का आशीर्वाद यूँ ही हमारे साथ बना रहे और हम इसी तरह आगे भी कॉम्पिटिशन्स में पोजीशन लाकर स्कूल का नाम रोशन करें।
अंत में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी, मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, मंजिल यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही को, जुनून सा दिल में जगाना पड़ता है। हमने पूछा चिड़िया से कि घोंसला कैसे बनता है, तो वो बोली कि तिनका तिनका उठाना पड़ता है। जैसे हमारे इन कॉम्पिटिटर बच्चों ने, इन विनर बच्चों ने हमारे स्कूल का नाम रोशन किया मोटिवेशन के साथ, अपने हार्डवर्क के साथ और अपने डेडिकेशन के साथ। तो मैं इनको तो बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ, बधाई देती हूँ इनकी जीत के ऊपर, और अपने बाकी के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए भी यही विश करती हूँ कि वो भी इतने ही हार्डवर्क और डेडिकेशन के साथ हमारे स्कूल का नाम रोशन करें।
Now let's watch a beautiful video of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Rana's our Vidya Mandir series.
हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन। धन से मन से धन से, तन मन धन जीवन से, धन से मन से धन से, तन मन धन जीवन से, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, हम करें राष्ट्र आराधन, आराधन राष्ट्र आराधन। अंतर से मुख से कृति से निश्चल हो निर्मल मति